Hi, this is Mike's USSC Pellet Stove Controller. I've got it repaired. Mike sent it to me for repairs, and it was completely dead at the time. So after some troubleshooting, I identified a failed integrated circuit chip. So I just received it, replaced it, and now the unit is functioning again. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. And there we go. We can see that it'll step through all the ranges, 0 through 5, room fan, draft fan, and auxiliary. So all those parameters can be set. I've reset it once already, but when Mike receives it, you can see in the background some of the lights are blinking on and off, indicating that motors are supposed to be running. So I'll send it back to Mike, have him install it in his stove, and I suspect it'll work quite well. Thanks, Mike.